to the car wash.
What do they do at home?
And far away from Massachusetts, you can look at this car wash if you want to. Car wash. Car wash. Car wash. Car wash. Go here, we'll go get Devin to the car wash.
Oh my god.
The car wash. The car wash. Hurry up with the car wash.
Why do I have to? Don't open the window!
We're at the car wash. Car wash. You get the car wash. No, we're at the car wash. Yes, we're at the car wash. Hey, hey. Do you know we're at the car wash? No,
Yeah.
no, he's Chinese. I don't know.
Huh?
Go. Oh, we're at the car wash. Where's the car wash? Go. Go.
Wait. Uh-oh, we have spots on our window now.
Go. We're at the
We're still here. Let's see if
We're
it...
gonna pause the video until they get back into the car wash. So it goes. Alright guys, we're going inside of the car.
Whoa!
I have to get a better shot, so I'm gonna scoot in the middle. So we're gonna about to get washed by this sir over here.
Mom, I'm supposed to wait.
We're sorry about that. I accidentally paused the camera. We're gonna about to get abominated by that thing.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ah!
That's what's so wrong. My eyes get weird when it does that.
We're about to get eaten by a big octopus.
Mom, we're doing a picture.
Octopus. An octopus.
Cody,
We're about to get eaten by an octopus. This is crazy.
Huh? Oh, sorry. First time over here, that's fine. Close the window.
We're about to get eaten by an octopus.
Cody, it's moving by itself.
We're on an excavator. Oh god! Oh god! Help! We're gonna get eaten by an octopus! Oh. Do you see this?
Whoa.
Ah! We're gonna get eaten by an octopus! Ah! 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 The octopus!
Hey! Wow. Oh!
Now we're gonna about to get shredded! The shredder! It's a shredder! Ah! Wait, let me feel. Oh, I feel bubbly. Oh! Oh! Oh god! We're about to die here! There. Oh, shoot!
It's not on the bottom.
That is some messed up crap. Oh, another one! Another shredder.
This one is blue.
Do you see all of this? It still feels bumpy. Oh no, we're about to get underneath the water!
Dare me to open the window? No. Whoa. Oh, there's a dryer.
in a tornado. Yes, we live in Fall River, Massachusetts. And
Not.